Hey, tech enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into something truly groundbreaking, a rocket-based wing drone that's about to blow your mind. Imagine this, a sleek, aerodynamic drone that rockets up into the skies, scanning its environment with pinpoint accuracy. As it ascends, onboard AI is hard at work gathering crucial data. Now here's the cool part. Once it reaches the peak, it shifts gears and starts gliding down in elegant spirals back to its starting point. But it's not just gliding aimlessly. During that descent, its onboard AI is calculating a new route to the target. And it does all this without relying on GPS. Think about it, navigating purely by scanning and processing environmental data. What's more, this rocket-boosted scanning process isn't a one-shot deal. You can retry it up to 10 times to make sure you identify your target with absolute precision. This blend of rocket propulsion, gliding mechanics, and advanced AI makes it a revolutionary tool for everything from environmental monitoring to search and rescue missions. So whether you're a drone hobbyist, a tech aficionado, or someone who just loves cool gadgets, keep an eye on this space. The future of drones just got a whole lot more exciting. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into cutting-edge drone tech, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech goodness. Catch you in the next one.